So you've set up your course, but now when somebody goes to sign up for your course or start your course, they get this background and this thing that says your logo. So how are we going to fix that? Let me show you. So under memberships is where your courses are. Right now I'm in settings. This is where it's going to pull your logo from. This is an old logo. I need to update that. What we're going to do is go to the actual course. Let's see, this one. Up here under customize, you end up here and you're like, yeah, what the heck is all this? I don't know. So you back out of it. But this is actually where you need to be. These are slightly different themes with how your course is laid out. Like you can see on this one, there's like a left-hand sidebar. On this one, it's like along the bottom. So any one of these, you click Customize, Theme Settings. Here's where you decide where the logo is, if it's actually going to be in the hero section, which this one is, or if it's going to be up in the header. And sometimes you need to like click that around a few times just to get it to pull it in. And then for the hero image, let's do it as a color. You can change what the button looks like, you can change the color of the button, the font, the description. Okay, so now we have a logo here and a different header here. So that is what you need to do, is customize within those themes. And it tells you here the recommended dimensions. So if you want to create something, a header in Canva, you can use those dimensions. And you can do lots and lots of other customization in here. But that's going to be basically, and then you can save the customizations. And don't forget to watch my short about how offers is kind of useless. At least I haven't figured out a good way to use it, and how you should sell your memberships and courses with the products area under payments.